Hi everyone! This video will go over how to write a professional email. So for our directions here, Justin Williams works as a human resources receptionist for Greenwood School District. He has vacation days that are scheduled from July 3rd through July 10th. His direct supervisor is Arthur Brown, and the HR secretary is Mary Wood. We're going to help Justin write a professional email so he can take time off from work. All right. So to start, we're going to write who this email is being sent to. So this email is being sent to Arthur Brown and Mary Wood. Next, we're going to write in the subject. So the subject for this email is vacation coverage. Now we are ready to start writing the email. So this email is going to start off with, "Hello, Arthur and Mary. I have vacation days that are scheduled from July 3rd through July 10th. Could you please find someone to cover my position while I am out of the office? Sincerely, Justin Williams." All right, so that is how to write a professional email. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.